What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I'm at Best Buy, and they got all the Pixel 10 series except for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold that comes out in October, I believe. But they do have the Pixel 10 Pro XL. They got the Pixel 10 Pro, and they also have the Pixel 10, the regular one. Now, this does come in that new indigo blue, triple camera setup on all of these, so that's awesome. Got some brighter displays, some bigger batteries, especially on the Pixel 10 Pro XL. You get that 100 times zoom on this bad boy, which is great. So it's supposed to have some pretty good features on it. So this one here comes in that moonstone, and then you got the obsidian black in the Pixel 10 XL. But they do have that jade color, which is kind of interesting with that pistachio and gold trims. I don't know if I'm feeling that, but that is definitely. And then all these come with that new Pixel Snap, which is basically MagSafe for your Android phone, which is killer. Now, one of the bad things about this phone is all of these are eSIM only, which is terrible. But the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is going to come with a SIM card slot, which is awesome. Thank God they have that going on, because if they didn't, we'd be in a little trouble. But like I said, this has a bigger battery, 5200 milliamp battery, which is great. But it's basically the same iconic design of Pixel. Where you have that camera bar on the back, just a good looking phone, strong. Now the big boy, the 10 Pro XL, is $11.99. The Pixel 10 Pro is $9.99, and then you got the Pixel 10, which is $7.99. This might be the best value, and especially if you can get this color, which is new and unique. They also have a lemongrass, which is kind of tight. But they got some really cool stuff. Got some upgrades to the camera software and hardware. So a lot of good features on this phone that you can check out. But I just wanted to do a little walkthrough, checking out the devices, and got the same great Pixel software, Android 16. So you got that going on. This is just when it comes to stock Android, this is it. And then obviously the Pixel Watch 4 is going to be coming out also in October with the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. So make sure you guys check that out. But I just wanted to drop a quick video so you guys can check it out. Also, the Pixel Bud Pros 2s are going to be getting some software updates. So stay tuned right here on Android Stud. Deuces.